Council, remind me your name.
Muthenya umwe thutha wa Peter wa Mwangi, afithaa wa borithi ceceni-ini ya Karatina kunyitwo agikuirwo kurathana kuraga muhuri biacara umwe tauni-ini ya Karatina ni akinyirio igoti-ini inene ria Nyeri. Mbere ya jaji Mirigituma wa miti athitangĩirwo kuhura rithathi na kuraga muhuri wa biacara George Gathu utuku wa KIUMIA tauni-ini ya Karatina thutha wa ngucanio ya kahinda kanini.
As we speak, the scene of crime has not been formally secured. To release the respondent to bail at this stage in time will be prejudicial to the investigations, and it will be unfair to the primary victim.
There is a presumption of innocence until accused is presumed guilty. The court is cognizant of these rights. Be that as it may, the court notes the offence herein is alleged to have occurred on 18th of January 2026 and reported on 19th of January 2026, that is yesterday. The alleged offence is murder. The police are yet to conduct the post-mortem of the victim's body and investigate the weapon, that is the gun, that is said to have been used in the offence. These are crucial components, aspects of the investigation.
Riu wa miti eguthie nambere na kuhingirwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Central gwa kahinda ga thiku 14 niguo kuhe maabithaa a borithi hamwe na IPOA kamweke ga kurikiriria uthuthuria wao.
The court is called upon to balance the right of the suspect and those of the victim, which to me would be the accused to be held for the shortest period and not to be held unnecessarily, and to have him charged in court at the earliest opportunity, and the right of the victim to have the matter investigated properly and based on the investigation, charges filed and justice takes its course.
Oho ni ariganite na riendekithia ria mwena wa thitango afitha uyu kuhingirwo thiku 21 itemi-ini ria gutigirira cira undu ne kururia kurumirira matuko ya maria mari na muingi iguru wa njuragano eno.
The suspect is a police officer. In this capacity, he has certain resources within his purview as a police officer that may enable him to interfere with the investigations, including witnesses. Further, this court notes the public outcry on the issue and finds that the security of the suspect is of concern. While the suspect may be admitted to bail bond, I do not find that to be appropriate at this stage for the above reasons, that is the interference of witnesses.
Iguru wa uguo arwiriri a ihoto cia umundu hamwe na family morite uthuthuria baranginyo gutafanio niguo gutigirira family ya George niona kihoto.
We have noted that the IPOA statement confirming that the investigation are ongoing and that the police officer has been arrested. We welcome this step, but we emphasize that justice must be done and must seen to be done. We call for transparency and speedy investigation and urge all authority to respect the right of family and community.
I find that it would be appropriate to extend the custodial orders. However, the period of detention shall only be extended by 14 days. The suspect to be remanded at Nyeri police station for a period of 14 days.
Mwikuirwo agakinyio gwitika thitango tariki 3 mweri ukite. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Edwin Mbugua.